Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to bake a dessert that's bursting with flavor and will have everyone asking for seconds. We created the most decadent triple berry cheesecake ever. This cheesecake is a creamy, tangy, and fruity delight, a true summer celebration in every bite. Put on your apron, preheat the oven, and let's make a dessert masterpiece. Ready? Let's dive in. Every remarkable symphony relies on its instruments, and our cheesecake composition is no exception. Just as a master conductor wields their baton to bring harmony to life, we gather our trusty tools and exquisite ingredients to craft a delectable masterpiece. Each element plays a crucial role, and together, they create a symphony of flavor that will delight your taste buds. Before diving into our delicious baking adventure, let's ensure we have all our ingredients and tools ready to create a masterpiece. Here's what you'll need to gather to kick off our baking concerto. For the crust, 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, finely crushed to form the perfect base, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted to bind the crumbs together, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to add a touch of sweetness. For the cheesecake filling, 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, softened to ensure a smooth and creamy texture, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar to sweeten the filling, 3 large eggs to give it structure, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for that classic flavor, and 1/4 cup sour cream to add a slight tang and extra creaminess. For the berrylicious topping, 1 cup fresh strawberries, hulled and halved to release their juicy goodness, 1 cup fresh blueberries for a burst of flavor, 1 cup fresh raspberries for a touch of tartness, 1/4 cup granulated sugar to sweeten the berries, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch to thicken the topping. Grab your ingredients, and let's move to the next exciting step. With everything in place, we're ready to create a cheesecake that will be music to your taste buds. Imagine the symphony of flavors coming together in perfect harmony. The crust, the filling, and the topping each play their part to create a dessert that's not just delicious, but an actual work of art. So, don your apron, preheat your oven, and let's get baking. A good foundation is crucial, even for a cheesecake. The base sets the stage for the entire dessert, ensuring that every bite is a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. Let's create a buttery, crumbly graham cracker crust that's the perfect base for our creamy filling. This crust will provide a delightful crunch that contrasts beautifully with the smooth, rich cheesecake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This step ensures that our crust bakes evenly and achieves that perfect golden brown color. In a medium bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and sugar. The melted butter helps bind the crumbs together, while the sugar adds a touch of sweetness that complements the tangy cheesecake filling. Press this mixture into an even layer on the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure to press firmly to create a solid base that won't crumble when you slice into your cheesecake. Bake for 10 minutes, then set aside to cool while we move on to the star of the show, the cheesecake filling. See? Easy peasy. The cooling process is essential as it allows the crust to firm up, ensuring it holds up well under the weight of the filling. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure. It's time to whip up that creamy dream. The filling is where the real excitement happens, turning ordinary ingredients into a sumptuous, velvety delight that will just melt in your mouth. Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into the next thrilling steps of crafting the ultimate cheesecake filling, ensuring that every single bite is a slice of heavenly bliss. Prepare yourself for a delightful culinary adventure as you create the silkiest, most divine cheesecake filling your taste buds have ever experienced. Get ready to indulge in a creamy sensation that will leave you craving more. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and sugar together until smooth and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla extract. Gently mix in the sour cream until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. That's it. Your cheesecake filling is ready for its grand entrance onto the crust. What would a triple berry cheesecake be without its delightful berry-infused essence? Let's create a vibrant and fruity topping that's as delicious as it looks. In a separate bowl, Toss the strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with sugar and cornstarch. Now, gently fold about half of the berry mixture into the cheesecake filling. Pour this beautiful creation over the cooled crust. Top it off with the remaining berries, scattering them evenly over the surface. Doesn't that look amazing already? Get ready for an exhilarating baking adventure. It's time for the Cheesecake Spa Day. It's time to give our cheesecake a relaxing sauna session in the oven. Place the springform pan in a larger baking pan. Pour enough hot water into the larger pan to come halfway up the sides of the springform pan. This water bath helps the cheesecake bake evenly and prevents cracks. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the cheesecake is just set around the edges and the center is slightly jiggly. While our cheesecake enjoys its spa treatment, let's clean up and get ready for the final touches. It's time to cool down and embrace the art of patience, because perfection takes time. This phase is where your patience will face its greatest test, but it's also the most essential step in your journey. Stay committed. The results will be worth the wait. Now comes the hard part, being patient. You've put in all the effort to create this masterpiece, and now you must wait to enjoy it. Turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool in the water bath for an hour. This gradual cooling process helps prevent cracks and ensures a smooth, creamy texture. Don't worry, it's still doing its thing. The residual heat continues to cook the cheesecake gently, allowing it to set perfectly. After an hour, carefully remove the cheesecake from the water bath and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is essential to avoid condensation that might make the crust soggy. Once cool, cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This chilling time allows the cheesecake to firm up and the flavors to develop fully. This allows the cheesecake to set fully and the flavors to meld beautifully. The wait might seem long, but it's a small price to pay for perfection. We know it's hard to resist, but trust us, the wait will be worth it. The first bite will reward your patience with a burst of creamy, rich flavor that only a well-set cheesecake can offer. So, hang in there, and soon you'll enjoy a dessert that's truly worth the wait. Get ready for the grand finale. It's time to unleash your creativity and transform your masterpiece with stunning decorations. It's time for the grand finale, decorating. Let your creativity shine and add those finishing touches that will make your cheesecake truly Instagram-worthy. Fresh berry extravaganza. Pile on extra fresh berries for a vibrant and delicious decoration. Whipped cream wonder. Add dollops of whipped cream for a touch of elegance. Chocolate indulgence. Drizzle melted chocolate over the top for a decadent touch. And there you have it, your very own triple berry cheesecake masterpiece. Let's spread the delightful joy of cheesecake far and wide. Remember, sharing is caring, so let's share the cheesecake love and make everyone's taste buds dance with excitement. Now, for the best part, sharing your creation with the world. Slice up this beauty, serve it with a smile, and watch your loved ones' faces light up with delight. Don't forget to snap a photo, share your masterpiece on social media, and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. We can't wait to see your culinary creations. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more sweet treats heading your way. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey. Until next time, happy baking!